Hey guys, Tuna King 5 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your videos that you have made be uploaded to YouTube. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open Google Chrome. From Google Chrome, you're going to want to open up YouTube, and then from YouTube, you're going to want to come up here and click on Create Videos and More with the little camera. Upload video. And then from here it's going to say select file. What you want to do is you want to either select a file or do what I do, open up your files, make it a bit smaller, and then drag your video in, just like that. This is a video that I also have on my channel about how to make Krita thumbnails. So I'm just going to write a description. This is a short video explaining how to make a simple Krita thumbnail. Autocorrect that. And there we go. We're going to want to upload the thumbnail, which is right here. How to make thumbnails in Krita 1.1. Or 1.0. My bad. Playlist, yeah, it should be in all videos, and I think that's it. Wait, yeah, okay, all videos. From there, we're going to move on next, and then next, and then we're not going to publish this video now. I'm going to put it as private, so that way I can tinker with it a little bit later, add cards, and an end screen to the video. I don't want to schedule it, so I'm just going to click done. And now that I've clicked done, it is just going to finish uploading my video. All you have to do is wait for this to be finished, and after that you should be good to go.